everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to see how to create this basic simple sketcher in Catia. So let me enter into here start part design. Let's say okay. Then I need to create one sketch, for example on this front plane. So just I'll click on here sketch and I need to create one sketch on front plane. Once if I click on this plane, as you can see here we have entered into sketcher. Now to create this sketcher, selection of origin point is important. So for this particular sketcher I am considering this point as origin point because maximum dimensions we are having here with reference to this particular point. So I am considering this point as origin point. Now as you can see here, I am going to create this outer profile by using elongated hole with a radius of 22 and with length of 28. Now just I will go here with elongated hole which is available under rectangle. I need to start exactly from origin to this. It should be in horizontal position. As you can see it is showing in blue color. So it is a straight one. Let me click here. Then whenever we are going to use this elongated hole, by default we will get here radius. Now radius for this we are having here 22. Just I will double click on that and I will modify with 22. Then length for this we are having here 28. Let me give this length of 28. As you can see here, this entire profile got iso constraint green color. Then next to that, this inside part we are having with reference to this center point we are having one curve with radius of 10. Let me create one circle here. Dimension for this we are having here radius of 10. Then from this center point we are having one more curvature with radius of 12. So again we will create one more circle with reference to this center point here. As you can see, once if you are trying to draw here, extra relations are going to apply here. So in these conditions, to avoid that extra relations, you can hold shift and you can draw profile. No extra relations will be applied now. Let's keep it here. Dimension for this we need radius of 12. Then next to that we are having one horizontal line from this radius of 10 circle tangent to that with a length of 14. One more straight line we need from this side also. Let me create one line somewhere from here. Just I'll create one straight line like this. Then by using constraint we'll apply relation between curve to line. We need here tangency. Then by using here quick trim, let me trim this extra element and we'll give dimension for this line. We are having here length of 14. Same like this, one more line we are having from this side. It should be a straight line. Then relation between circle to line we are having here tangency. By using trim, just we will trim this extra element. Then next to that we are having one small curvature here with radius of 3. As you can see here, radius 3 curve is starting from this point and tangent to only on this line. Now let me create that profile here. For that we are having here 3-point arc. That curve should start exactly from here to here in this direction. It should be tangent to that. So by automatically we can drag here and we can keep it like this. Then by using constraint, dimension for this curvature we need radius of 3. Let me go with quick trim and trim this unwanted elements. Then same shape we need upside. By holding control, just I'll select this all 3 elements and I'll make it mirror with reference to horizontal. We'll get an upside. Again I will go for quick trim. I will trim this unwanted elements like this. So like this we can create this shape. Then next to that we are having one curve here with radius of 32 with reference to the center point. Now let me create one circle, or else we can create only this section with radius of 32 by using center point arc. Exactly with reference to this point we need to start somewhere from here to here. As you can see here also extra relations are going to apply. So in that conditions you can hold shift, then just we can draw the profile like this. dimension for this we are having radius of 32. Then next to that, one inclined line we are having tangent to this outer curve, tangent to this radius 32 curve. So whenever we are having a line tangent to both profiles at a time, directly we can go here with bi-tangent line. Let me click on bi-tangent between this circle to this curve. Just this point I will drag and we will keep it like that. Later we can trim that. Same shape we need downside also. So let me clear this entire part and make it here mirror. Now to create this shape, as you can see here, we are having here one circle with radius of 10. Then with a distance of 28, one more circle we are having with radius of 12. So let me create here two circles. It should be exactly on horizontal axis somewhere here like this. By using constraint, dimension for this we are having radius of 10. For this we are having radius of 12. Distance between point to point we are having here 28. Then dimension from this point to origin point we are having total length of 128. Let me give the dimension from this to this we are having here 128. Then we need one line tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Same downside also we wanted. Let me go with again here bi-tangent line between this to this. Same line I'll make it here mirror with reference to this horizontal axis. By using here quick trim, let me trim these unwanted elements. Then next to that, we are having one circle here with radius of 40 exactly with reference to the center point with a distance of 10 mm from this point. Now let me create one circle exactly on this horizontal axis somewhere here like this. Then dimension for this circle we are having here radius of 40. Then dimension between this point to this circle center point horizontally we are having gap of 10. Let me give this gap of 10 here. Then next to that we need here one corner with radius of 30 tangent to this, tangent to this. Directly we can go here with corner. Then corner between these two elements we need. As you can see, different options we are having here as we have discussed. So we need to use here no trim. Extra element we should not remove between these two with radius of 30. Then let me select all these profiles like this and we will make it here mirror with reference to this horizontal axis. Then by using quick trim, just we will trim this unwanted elements. So we don't want this, again this, then this extra curve also we don't want. Just we will trim this like this. So in this way we are able to create this particular shape in Catia sketcher. Now let's check either our sketch is correct or wrong by using here sketch solving status, which is available under tools toolbar. Just I'll click on this. As you can see, entire sketch is ISO constraint. Then we can consider that our sketcher is correct. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And simply you are watching videos and you are just skipping that, please like the video and share to your friends.